Hello Year 10s, we're going to talk a little bit about statistics. So I'm just going to go over some of the basics first. So let's talk about what the different things mean. So let's start with the mean. So the mean means the average. Okay? Now remember what you do to find the mean, you take so you add up, let's try that again, add up all the things. So add up all the things, then divide by the number of things. So how many things there are. So let's say, for example, let's say people did a spelling test out of 10. Let's say these were the results that they got. Okay, let's say those are the results from a spelling test. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 different people that took it. So what we do to find the mean, which is the average score, we add them all up. 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8 divided by how many things there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 things, okay? Then you just type that into a calculator and figure out what it is, okay? And that'll be your mean. Now, most of the time, your mean will have decimal points. That's okay. It doesn't need to be a whole number. It's just going to be the average. All right, let's talk about the mode. So the mode is the most common. Now, remember, all of these things are on your ruler, so you can look at them anytime you like. The most common. So what is the most common score of the spelling test? Well, it's 7 because there's 2 of them. No other score happened twice, so the mode of this particular set of scores is 7. What about the median? Remember what the median is? It's the exact middle. Okay, so what we do is we have a look at the exact middle. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different things. Remember, we find the median by doing how many things there are, so n for the number of things, plus 1, divided by 2, okay? So in this case, we have 7 things. 7 plus 1 divided by 2, well, 7 plus 1 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. Now, that does not mean that the median is 4, because if you notice, there is no 4 in this data, but it means that it's the 4th term. So the 4th number that we find, okay? Now, the problem with this set of data is we can't just go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not number 5. Because these are not in order. So 5 is actually the lowest score. It can't be the median. That's actually the lowest number. So what we have to do is rewrite them to be in order. So let's do that. So there's a 5, there's a 6, there's 2 7s, an 8, a 9, and a 10. Oops, it's not 77. Okay, so there are 4 terms in order. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to be this one. So there are 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So the median is actually 7. It's the 4th term of our series of scores. Okay, so remember, let's see if I can change colour without screwing it up. Nope, apparently not. Nope. Okay, the button doesn't want to work today. Oh, don't worry. Okay, so the mean is the average. The mode is the most common. So the one that happens the most often, and the median is the exact middle. Okay, now somebody asked a good question the other day. What if, let's say we had more data. Let's say we had an 11 on the end. What would the median be then? Because guess what? It's exactly halfway between 7 and 8 now. Well, we don't have a number there because we want 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So what do? We just find what is halfway in between these two numbers. So in this case, it would be 7.5, okay, because 7.5 is in between 7 and 8. So that's what we would say the median is, halfway between terms 4 and 5. All right, so it's okay to have something in the middle like that. All right, next video we'll go on to some more stuff.